What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a comparison video, or a review video I guess, of the Oxilam LED lights. These are H7 bulbs. These are gonna be for the high beams on my car, which is the 1999 CL500. The high beams from the factory are like this yellowish color. And these are to be LED, a little bit more blue, to match the Xenons. So when you open up the box, it has like plastic wrapping over it too, but you get this little booklet. And these are the bulbs themselves, the H7 bulbs. Now I'm going to put gloves on to work on my other ones because I don't want to really oil them up. But I don't know if you could see it. There's the LED, so you're going to have to angle them and connect them this way so that the bulbs are facing, or the LED bulbs are facing left and right. And the trick is, sometimes you plug them in, this fork, into the connection, and it doesn't work, so you just have to basically flip it the other way. So let me show you how quick and easy this install is for the H7 bulbs in the 1999 CL500, the high beam portion. The tabs. Alright. There's this little metal bracket that you open, take it out. The cover, and the high beam portion, this is the Xenons. You just twist it, put it to the side, and I don't know if you could see, the high beam portion is this little fork, which you basically just gently wiggle out. Here's the connection. There's that bracket. So you're gonna just take this bracket, push it. Is it up or down? I already forgot. Oh, you push it right. You push it in and up, and it releases the stock one. Careful, you gotta catch that one so it doesn't crack. And this is the stock bulb. I don't know if you can see that. Now you take the LED bulb, just for comparison, they're about the same size. Alright. Now you have to figure out which way to put it. So here's the sticker. You're going to put it like that. Now this all depends on which model car you have, because obviously this is the way it fits in my car. So you're gonna reinforce it. That's it. All clips are in there. It's not going anywhere. So from what I understand, this is gonna be upside down. So instead of connecting it like I had it before, just try it out. Just connect it like this. If it doesn't work, then just flip it like that. From my experience, I think I have to have it flipped. So I just double checked, and basically, yes, I did have to have the high beam flipped because it wasn't working on the first try. So after that, you connect the forks flipped, and the Xenon you just put back in. It's just simple twisting. And right now I'm going to show you what they look like. The LED compared to the stock one. gonna do the left side real quick. While doing this test, I realized that my driver's side corner light turning signal was busted out. So for a second I thought that I did it during that whole process, but no, it was busted before. I was worried that it might. 1 second. Yeah, I was gonna say I was worried that I might. Oh wow, this one's a little bit more in. Do it nice and gently. Ooh, it doesn't want to let go. Why not? Why don't you want to let go? Let go. It's okay. There you go. Alright, this clip, what was it? Push it down. Careful not to drop the bulb. You might need them later. Alright, and we had it like this. If that means anything. Put that one down. Take the aftermarket one, or the Oxilam one. Oxilam's a interesting name. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. So, once we have that here, where is the sticker? So do we do it like that? Push it back in. Put the Xenons in. I think you're supposed to take the fuses out here, but correct me if I'm wrong. It's a risk I'm willing to take. And that was the wrong way. So we're going to disconnect the Xenons. We're going to simply just disconnect that H7 bulb and flip the fork connection. Is it going in? Yes. It went in. And get this Xenon on and should be good now. Alright, so I'm in the car. It started, so I have the parking lights or the blinkers. They all work. I'll high beam with them. Oh, the mirrors, very, very dirty. Feature about this, I don't know if it's going to be working right now. When you spray the headlight, when you spray the wipers, the headlight wipers also work, the small ones. But let's see, I turn on the Xenons and there is the beam. You can kind of see it there. There it is. There's the high beam. I don't like the way that camera over there captures the pattern, because it looks like one side is brighter than the other. So I'm gonna just get out the car and check it out right now. So let's see. I have to have the that sucks. So it's weird. Either I have something broken, which I doubt. Maybe it's broken, but I can keep the high beams like this. But if I wanna, no wait, doesn't work like that. You have to have the Xenons on. That's kind of weird. Oh well. Maybe it's so you don't leave it on and forget and leave the car. Can't speak English today. All right. They perfectly match the Xenons now. I can't even tell where the Xenon is or where the high beam is. That's awesome.